Alright, this is Gato21 from Slow-Mo. As you know, I posted up a post about a week ago, just prior to the weekend, about the new shirt, the 4 points of Slow-Mo. Just can't, like, we've been working on the design and stuff. I've been working on a lot of outside work on Gato style. So I'm actually working on trying to get a mural done. It'll be a 3-piece mural at somebody's shop. So I'm looking forward to that. So I've been putting a lot of effort into that. I work a full time job, so I'm bouncing from the full time job to getting over to make sure, I'm getting these t shirts done up and stuff like that. Uh, I've dropped the ball on getting the t shirts posted and listed on the website. That's my fault. So, you know, I just get it at that and leave it at that. I've been running around, put aside some money from the business. I've bought other items to help with the business. Bought stuff to do with my cars. So in the background here, you'll see I got some intakes. I got a Z I'm working on, so that's a big thing for me. That's my little pride and joy. I got a Mustang I'm working on too. Mustang is closer to completion than the Z is, but uh, I picked up a new screen printing setup. Basically, it's from the same company as the original 4-color press that you originally seen in my dungeon in my pictures. And I haven't been able to put that to the greatest of use due to time. Having a good place, shop set up to set it up to where I can actually set it up and I don't have to worry about the cats getting on it. Because there's nothing better than, pushing some ink through the screen and finding a clump of fur. It's like, I love my cats. It's Gato style. But we're working on setting up another area where I can actually do some of these t-shirts. We do have the slow-mo love up. We do have we could do also, now we got the 4 points. I can do those if you're interested. Send an email, send a message on Facebook on the slow-mo. Uh, Go to slowmo clothing bigcartel.com, or actually go to slowmoclothing.com. If you want to send an email to find out about some things, slowmoclothing@gmail.com. Just throw a message. Let me know what you think about what we're offering so far. I'm slowly bringing these designs out. I'm the artist, so it's kind of hard to be the artist, the CEO, creative director, and all this other stuff, and work a full time job and work on the cost. So I'm slowly getting it there. And hopefully some people start showing some love, order some t-shirts, show some love, spread the love, spread that message. That's a big thing about what slow-mo's about. It's we all want to get somewhere in life. We all want to, my goal is to where slow-mo and gato style can support me and my family, but it's also to spread a message too, because you can come from less than stellar beginnings. It's a choice on where you go from there. If you want to make it big, that's your choice. You have to be willing to put in the hours and grind. Some nights I don't put in the grind as much as I should. I'm guilty. And that's me. I have to work on my discipline for that. So here I am throwing up a video again. Here, I'll turn around so you can see the new press. This is a 6-color press, 2 platinum. So I have to buy the platins still because when I got it, it didn't have the platins. The first one I got has 1 platin. I want to keep that on there because that's nice to have just a 4-color setup. I got to practice on them. I got to work with Plastisol. I've never worked with Plastisol, so that's a big step for me. And for the group of people I'm working with, my wife and other people. So these are just like anything else. It's you get out what you put in. That to me is a very important thing. You will get out in proportion to what you put in. So I'm putting in a lot. The holidays are coming up. For the people you love, I still have some camouflage slow-mo shirts. I still have the 45 degrees of slow-mo. We have some hoodies left over. They're still posted on the site. We're going to have the 4 points now. This one here, I'd show you the back right now, but I'm not able to, is the Gato, well, it's not Gato style, I should say. It's slow-mo curbside mechanics. So it's all about cars, motorcycles, trucks, whatever, stuff like that, to do with stuff by the curbside. Whether you ride a Grom, whether you ride, beat up Pinto, that's what curbside mechanics is about. It's about your ride, your whip, whatever it is that gets you from point A to point B. But slow-mo itself, remember the past, live in the present. Reimagine your future, because your future is a choice where you go, which step you go into. So remember, you are the author of your book. This is like that adventure book where every choice you get, you make the choices and it takes your adventure in a different direction, right? The book was written, but you can make choices to change your direction. So change your direction. Do it, Who do you have, You have nothing to fear. It's like if it doesn't work, you can make another choice and go in another direction. So, hey, much love. Big up to everybody out there. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm going to throw out one to a couple of small businesses, which I have been doing. It's like my cousin, Jen Wolfgang. She's got one. She does graphics and stuff. Excellent artist. She can handle the colored pencils like I can't even touch. Check out her stuff. She also has a Redbubble. Go to my Facebook. You'll find her on there. There's also Sean Annie. Sean Annie's making upcycle clothing, fashion, stuff like that. She posts the stuff as she makes them. So, there might not be anything there yet. You might see what previously was there. If you have a question, send her a message. If you're looking for something in particular, send her a message. Small biz, give them some tries. My boy DJ Sadiq from Dirty Kids. Excellent DJs from the Northeast. That's where I grew up at. Go up, listen to his mixes. Listen to The Basement, I believe it's called. I don't know if I said that correctly, but go on Facebook, look up The Basement under DJ Sadiq or Sadiq Cruz. It'll be posted there. House music. So I grew up on house music. I grew up on Spanish music, techno, disco, salsa, rock, jazz, blues, whatever. Hardcore punk. It's all in there. But these are all the little businesses that have, over the years, I know of the same people, and we all have that same passion. It's the holidays. Look out for these companies. Throw them some business. Show some love. Peace. This is Gato 21. And have a happy Thanksgiving. I don't care what anyone else thinks about the holidays. Peace.